It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Monday, May 1st. I'm James Spann. Rain exits early this morning. Windy, noticeably cooler today. The next round of rain and storms will come Wednesday night and Thursday of this week. Let's check it out. Boy, that's an impressive look at this thing. That's the new GOES 16 presentation of the big upper storm across the middle of the nation. And by the way, we are technically to say this is an experimental product that is not operational yet. But man, it looks good. This thing has produced big-time snows in the western states, up into Kansas. We've had flooding across mid-America, severe weather from Texas down across the deep south. That is slowly moving on to the east. There's a radar early this morning at 5:10. Rain continues on the eastern side of the state. That should be exiting Alabama, I'd say, by 8 or 9 o'clock this morning. The sky gradually clears today. Again, will be noticeably cooler. In fact, you can see the cold front is down around Montgomery and Anniston. Near the front, temperatures around 70. Behind the front, we have 50s. Haleyville and Cullman down to 55. Go back farther to the north and west, Little Rock 49, Tulsa 44. And many spots around here could see upper 40s tomorrow morning. And around the nation, pretty chilly air in the western states. And keep in mind, they've got a big snow cover still in parts of Colorado, Wyoming, into Kansas, even down into parts of western Oklahoma and the Texas Panhandle. Tremendous late April snow for them this weekend. On the watch warning map, many river flood warnings for Missouri and some of the adjacent states where they're still seeing rising waters. Wind advisories for much of Alabama and Tennessee. We'll see a pretty strong north wind today. Severe weather potential east of Alabama. In fact, there's an enhanced risk from Virginia and North Carolina up to New York State. But again, our rain on the way out this morning. Tomorrow, a marginal risk around Houston and Corpus Christi. Day 3, Wednesday, a marginal risk over much of East Texas, West Louisiana. And there's no risk defined beyond this for Thursday. And we'll take a look at the specifics on that here in just a moment. This is the rain for the next 7 days, about 1 inch here. This is valid through Monday morning of next week. We'll pick up that inch Wednesday night and Thursday. And beyond that, the weather looks dry for the upcoming weekend. So model fans, here we go. The GFS, the 06E run, valid today at 1 o'clock. Look at that trough digging down through the eastern half of the country. Wow. Deep surface low. It's located between Madison and Minneapolis-St. Paul. Again, we'll expect the sky to become partly to mostly sunny today with a high in the middle 70s. And a pretty good west wind, averaging 15 to 30. Very windy today. Again, we have a wind advisory. Tonight, the wind calms down. Tomorrow morning, we'll probably see upper 40s in many areas. A beautiful day tomorrow. The sky will be sunny. The high around 80 in most spots. Wednesday, both the NAM and the GFS are at 83. The day will be dry with a partly sunny sky, rain off to the west. And then this is just after midnight Wednesday night. That rain should begin to creep in here. And the surface low Wednesday night is near Memphis. And then midday Thursday, the surface low is near the Ohio River north of Nashville with rain and storms coming down through here. And the question is, can we see sufficient instability for a severe weather threat? And obviously, if we were to have unstable air, that would be a severe weather setup. But most of the modeling saying no. This is the NAM, the 12-kilometer NAM, Thursday morning at 10 o'clock, and it has no surface-based instability here. And it's also got a weaker surface low. So this is the reason there's no severe weather outlook defined. This just might be a rain and storm event without the risk of severe weather at this point. But, again, this could change as we get closer, so we'll watch it. But for now, we'll mention rain and storms late Wednesday night and Thursday. Maybe some strong storms. The severe weather threat for now looks fairly low. Friday, very deep surface low over Pennsylvania. Breezy, cool here. Highs probably only in the 60s, in fact, Thursday and Friday, with a good north wind. And look at the anomalies for the east. Very, very cool air for the eastern half of the country. Saturday's the weekend begins. It'll be a beautiful day. Now, the latest GFS is showing us down to 42. We could see some 30s in the colder pockets Saturday morning, May 6th. The high will be around 70, a very cool May day, and this is Sunday. Again, probably 40s to start the day, but the high warming up to about 80. And this is a week from today, Monday, the 8th. Kind of a blocked pattern with a big trough in the northeast and back in the southwestern states. And if that's right, the weather would be partly sunny. Some evidence of maybe a shower. But again, I don't think we'd see much because the air's pretty dry. Here's the end of the forecast period. This is the middle of next week, Wednesday, the 10th of May. And really, the blocked pattern doesn't change much. Upper low around Boston. Upper low over the southwest United States, and for us, we're dry, if that's right. Now, these are the numbers coming off the European ensemble. You can see the cool down late this week with mid-60s on Thursday and Friday. That's way below average for this time of the year. And really beyond that, those numbers are below average on into the middle part of the month of May, so we'll sure take that. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.